this camera around eventually and show you this mess I've been talking about. But first, my husband made brownies. I don't know why he makes brownies, knowing that I have no self-control. But yes, breakfast, and then cleaning. So, from the kitchen area direction, you can see I need to put my sports bra away, do some laundry, probably change our pillows back to our spring and less fall winter stuff. This area has all of the things that I got from Amazon to restock our pantry, because I'm pretty sure everything in the pantry is expired. The corner way back in the back over there, I'm gonna have to deal with that another day. Then we swing around to the kitchen. I need to clean my roasting pan. I did a roast earlier this week that needs to be cleaned. These dishes need to be put away. These dishes need to be washed. This entire kitchen needs to probably be deep cleaned. Like, I'm talking about in the grooves. I just want to get all in here and make sure that's clean. I also want to clean our stove because it looks insane. Absolutely insane. So yes, this is my embarrassing truth. I am going to get this house cleaned up, get my life together, and just try to get to a place where everything is pristine and I can just maintain. I don't want to have to keep coming back and cleaning things and then moving things, and then it's never done. It's always a project. I just want it to be finished, and this is my spring cleaning commitment. I have to do it because I don't know how else to live. It's just dysfunctional for me. Now, if you can live in chaos, it's fine, but for me, I struggle. I struggle to get other things done, so we're gonna do this today. You're anything like me, but I often find myself not being able to get off the couch and do a little cleaning. So today is the day that we are going to take this chaos to calm, or at least in the living room. Grab a cup of coffee or some tea, and either you can join me in some cleaning or you can just watch. Nothing has brought me more joy than the Dyson V12 Detect Slim. When I tell you that it has been perfect when it comes to doing things like vacuuming above the windowsills. It has been the perfect upgrade after having carried a large vacuum cleaner up the step stool and trying to take the hose up to the top of the windowsills. Just not ideal. Growing up, I used to know exactly when my mom was cleaning because it either smelled like Pine Sol or it smelled like Mr. Clean. So obviously this is something that I've carried on throughout my life, and I do not feel like my house is clean until I have that little sweet citrus smell. It's perfect after the initial pass through with the Dyson and gives you a little sense of security knowing that it's being disinfected. Making sure that I get in every little nook and cranny. That means that books come off the shelves, cushions come off the couch, and even rugs get removed.
mention that I moved the couch. Here I'm going over the rug with a Glade carpet refresher and the clean linen scent before I pass it over with the Dyson for the first time. So the Dyson died, and I'm thinking, I should probably turn down the French music. So the Dyson died, and I think it's probably time for me to eat some real food, because all I've had today is the brownie for breakfast. That was like at 1. I think it's probably 5:27, so yeah, it's time to probably eat, charge the Dyson, and then get back to it, because I'm in a really good pace and I really want to keep this up and just really get this house clean. Anyway, food, and then I'll be back. Back again with the Glade carpet refresher on my second layer, which is the Sisal rug, and I bring out the big Bissell so that I could get deep into those grooves. Dyson is that it comes with a fully optic cleaner head, which basically means that it has that little green light that shines onto your floor and shows you every little dust particle and bit of dirt. When I tell you that this becomes addictive and you really want to vacuum your floor almost every day, yes, be prepared for this to become your personality. furniture is back in its place and vacuum for one last time, I go over all the fabric with Febreze. With such a dark and heavy sofa, I thought it was best for us to have a clear table in this particular area to give it a little breathing room. Sadly, we are not clear coffee table people. We put our feet on the coffee table, mugs, glasses, snacks, and so it takes a lot to get it back to a particular look. That's why I use the Novus 2-part system, one to get rid of fine scratches and the other to give it a nice clean shine. Before finishing up, I love to light a candle by one of my favorite small businesses, which is Wonder Made, based here in New York. This particular scent smells so fresh and so clean, which is exactly what you need to emphasize a clean house. And lastly, going over my wood tray with the natural beeswax. Wraps up this part of the living room deep clean. Make sure that you are subscribed and that you hit the notification bell so that you know when I drop next week's video, where I will be tackling that dreaded stove and kitchen.